technically, I guess today is Dashboard Monday. We head on over to the breadth page itself. Might help us a little bit try to understand what we're seeing. Remember, out of the histogram, we don't really have like, oh my God, this is a totally awesome buy level, or oh my God, this is a totally awesome sell signal. This is totally wishy-washy, middle of the road signal. There shouldn't really be anything signal-wise here. And sure enough, you can see this stuff's all over the place here right now. We've got the slow still pointing down. So on the medium term, the trend is still down, but on the short term, we had that spike off of the bottom, which produced that W right down in here. And actually, I heard a lot of people say that Bitcoin and Ethereum are dumping, but look at all these other altcoins; they're all taking off. They look awesome. So that's probably what's going on here. We have a real mixed message. And usually that's the case. It's like dead cat bounce. The market's trying to find some sort of flooring. We should actually be able to just take a quick boo like we did with all those other markets and just, what are we seeing on the charts? Do we see W's? Do we see M's? So crypto top 30. The indicator is pointing up, so it'd be interesting if Josh, if I'm not, and we'll wait for Josh to give his sort of official tutorial. But if I'm not mistaken, now that the fast is turned back up above the slow here, if he gets any sort of buy setups, I think he's supposed to go with the signal. So that's kind of an interesting development. But let's just go see what we got. Any W's? I mean, no doubt about it. I mean, you can understand why we're getting fives. We're not up at the top of the range. This is the time of the market. You should be hunting longs, so I like that. I don't know whether I see any W's just yet, though. No, not much. Maybe Dash has got something going on here. Oh, that interesting Doge. Isn't that interesting? Because Doge was Mr. Musk is in a bit of hot water recently, eh? But look at that. Interesting W trying to form on Doge. Keep your eyes peeled there. Yeah, so you can see these W's are trying to form. There's another one. There's dot. So if you draw a trend line off of that peak, we're sort of coming into that. Can we break out and then W out? Maybe. We're trying to form some lows here. Still looks like this is making a lower low, though. Not impressed with that. That link, I know you guys are all excited about the link. I've heard you guys ask about that a few times. Yeah, same sort of thing. At least pointing higher here on the moving averages. There is the W. So you can get a pop-up through here. The 200-period moving average all the way up top there. So that's interesting. This guy actually did try to W out there about a month or so ago, and then just had a face plant. Did we actually break through those lows? Look how close that was. Holy moly. So that low is 529. 529. That's the same price. 540. Oh my goodness, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to this one, please. If we trade up through what is that? 749. Oh boy, look out. Mark my words. In fact, here, we'll even put that in here. Where are you here? Check the EGLD. Is EGLD in our universe? Let's see. EGLD. EGLD. Oh, there we go. EGLD. And where the hell am I supposed to look at this? You want to do the, I guess, Tether. You guys all love that Tether thing. What we got there? Not bad. Nice div. Div's in. You want to look at it versus rubles? Yeah. You're not in a bad, you're not thinking in a bad place, right? You got to see a move up through What is that? $59. So give me a trade up through that 59, and I think you're good to go. A long way to go to the upside there, right? Close on Confluence for HW. So there you go. All right. So nice work, everybody. Should be interesting. Hopefully, you guys are getting the feel for how this engine works. And I don't know whether we have EGLD in the index list. I suppose if it starts to perform, it'll move up the crypto top 30 list. I bet you a lot of these crypto top 30s are falling out of the top list now. Probably going to have to go in and review our list candidates. As I said, I'm not overly impressed with the crypto index here, but interestingly enough, it is pointing bullishly now. So if you do have buy setups, like on the link, on the that EGLD, I think both of those names look really interesting. If those W's come in, I just go with it. It makes sense to me.